Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to update Instagram app. Guys, you want to update your Instagram app, so you can update. And guys, now let's see how to update Instagram app in our vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So when now let's see how to update Instagram. So first of all open your Play Store. So when after on guys Play Store guys, click on search, and guys here guys Instagram. So as you can see guys, we have Instagram updates, and guys you can check your Instagram update from here. And guys you want to update, so guys as I told you how to update, guys click on update. And guys you have Wi-Fi, so guys you can connect Wi-Fi, and guys you can on your mobile data. And guys you can see Instagram is updating in our vivo phone. After update guys, you can use your new filters in your Instagram app. So you can see Instagram has update installing. So before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching friends. So it will update after 4 and 5 seconds. Installing. So Instagram has update in our vivo phone. So bye friends, thanks for watching. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.